forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafethu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Show my fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, TS Galaxy 1. I'm joined by Emmanuel.
Sure, Steve.
Yeah.
Bafowethu iPirates noma kanjani kusele 3 games or kusele 1 game sihamba nayo. Asizeni bafowethu support le team yethu. Sicede isizini. Yabona sisebenze kahle bafowethu. Siqale kahle no Rivero wasibeka kahle asupporteni uMandla bafowethu. Asimsupporteni lo coach abo asprove ukuthi naye ulele ufundeni ku Rivero. Yabona so ukhoza azokhona ukusanawusela icoach right lezokhona ukuqhuba nayo next season bafowethu.
Uyamfuna uMandla?
Umandla right ahlale as assistant. Ahlale as assistant. He's a good coach.
As a head coach?
As a second coach.
Not as a head coach.
No.
As an assistant.
As an assistant. So the international is coming.
Oh, you want international?
Yeah, international is
you
coming.
don't want local?
No.
Animfundo mangoba mnqithi?
Nothing local. Yeah. Nothing local. Si right nge local.
Ngiyatsho.
Basiqindezekela kakhulu. Sineni size game in bafowethu. iPirates idlalile. Idlalile kakhulu. And uyabona lento siyenzayo. Ku number 2 sihlele. Elias sihlele khona sibuyele eAfrica le. Then into siyenzayo sigaya labafana ichance. iFreedom basiprove ukuthi ibasiphethele ini. And ngempela iCocomelon isiphethele into ezemnandi.
Man of the match.
Silepe.
Number 47.
Number 47.
Number 47.
Silepe.
Number 47.
Izembe lento le.
Fana nomdusha balala.
Abantu bafuna ukungena ku top 8. Labantu bebathemba ukuthi thina sizobasebenzela. Sizoshaya iTX. No. Asibasebenzela. Abahlale ku 10.
Why you jealous?
Abahlale ku 10.
Why you must the
top 8 never bayibone. iChiefs top 8 never yibone. Badlala draw abahlale ku number 10 le. Sifuna la. Thank you man. Sure.